Welcome to this Android and Google news on this Android channel. And this is the news for Tuesday, September 18, 2018. Today, in our Android news, well, it seems that next year it might be quite interesting in the Android smartphone market. We might be, of course, seeing the first foldable phones show up, but there's some leaks of an unknown smartphone that might have two screens, one in the front and one in the back. For what reason, I'm not sure, but it's kind of interesting and shows us that maybe there's some innovation in the air for smartphones next year on the Android platform. After it was found that Google had accidentally tweaked the battery settings in Pixel phones, there are many out there that are now saying, hey, you should stop having the ability to remote control our phones. You should not be able to do so, and we should know if you actually want to access our phones to change things. And, that would not be a bad idea. I don't have necessarily a problem with the fact that you might remote control my phone, but I'd like to know that you are doing it. So, maybe your next car might be an Android-powered device. It seems that Google has partnered with Renault, Nissan, and Mitsubishi, which is the alliance, to bring Android to cars starting in 2021. So we might see our familiar icons of our Android phones and tablets and a computer screen on the car. Of course, every month Google releases its security bulletin where they talk about what they fixed, and of course they push these to everybody, but not everybody gets them at the same time. So the September Security Bulletin for Android was released. It contains a lot of critical security patches. If you have an essential phone or a Pixel phone, you can update right away. For others, we gotta cross our fingers as to when this is gonna be done. Well, there are rumors that Google is about to introduce a Google Play Points program, some kind of reward program that would, of course, give you points every time you purchase apps. Now, it might be true. It seems that it's already available in Japan, where you get points every time you buy apps, and you can exchange these points eventually for purchase of apps. So this is going to be interesting. Why not? I buy apps from time to time. Could be cool to have a rewards program linked to that. And finally, a study just confirms that what we already pretty much know about our devices on Android. Many Android apps snoop on us more than they actually tell you in the terms of services, and that it needs to stop. That study does say that you would be surprised at what apps can actually get out of our data, and that basically it's sad to see that they just don't tell us what they actually do. And this was the Android news for Tuesday, September 18, 2018. You enjoy videos? Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.